Hello. In this lesson, we will work on formatting the fonts and the styles with some of the texts. I have the existing letter that we did in our previous lesson, and we will go ahead and work with this. And so, what I want to do is, first of all, we are going to change the font style of the date. I am on my home ribbon. I have some my font group right up here. I also have font group on my quick access bar, but there is another you are about to see, and so when I just click and drag the date, and I can click and drag from left to the right or right to the left, but when I click and drag and let go, this is called a minibar, and that gives you the same font style and rules that I have on my home ribbon and on my quick access. But if I scroll down here and I want to do something with faithfully, let go. Look at that. A minibar is right here where I need it and where my mouse is. This is just kind of the nice feature of having that minibar around. Let's go up here again. Let's select the date. When I select the date, I need you to remember that computer only works with what you tell it to do. So if you got your insertion point sitting here inside the 2019, it's not gonna do anything. You have not selected anything for it to work with. You have got to literally click and drag a word. You could also double click. Double click will select a word. In fact, anywhere on the screen, a double click will select a word and a triple click will select a paragraph. So if I triple click 1, 2, 3, this paragraph, I just selected it. Now watch with the date. By triple click 1, 2, 3 on that line, it will select the line. So it's just kinda convenient. So now that I have this selected, I am going to make this in Arial and size 12. There we go. Now you can observe and see that obviously there is a big difference between the date format and rest of the letter format. Well, if you like that the date format and you wanna change it to all to the same to the Arial size 12, all you have to do is I'm not gonna click and drag this whole letter. I'm gonna select all. Now select all on the keyboard is Control A. A stands for all, so Control A will select the entire thing. Or there is another trick over here in the margin of the paper. I can triple click in the margin 1, 2, 3 and it will select the whole content. It doesn't matter if it's one page or 100 pages. You just selected the whole thing again, your personal preference. Now notice what happened to my font style and my font size on quick access and also on my home ribbon they are blank. It's because it is confused. It sees one style and size on the date and a different style and size on the letter. So it doesn't know what I want. So it went completely blank. So all we have to do is be the boss and tell it what I want it to be Arial and I want it all to be size 12 and now it is. It's all uniform and I can confirm that by actually having the font style and size show up there. Let's apply some colors. So right down here, I have the word video. So I'm gonna double click to select the word. My minibar came right up here. Look at that. Font red is right. I will go ahead and click font red and font is red. Right under it, I have another word video. Double click that one. Minibar come up here. That's time. This time I'm gonna hit the drop down arrow and I'm gonna choose another color and another word video right over here, the third line of that first paragraph. Double click that video and I'm gonna hit the drop down and change that to green. So that's how you can change color of certain words as per your own convenience. And right over here on the words faithfully, I'm gonna double click on that one and apply a completely different font style called script. And so I will go ahead and hit enter to that one, and there we go. Now script is a very cursive writing, a very pretty writing, but I can use that for a personal letter. For these font styles, I don't want to say they are endless because they are endless, but there is still many of them. It's from the experiment. So that's your lesson on changing format inside a letter. Thank you.